The world of enduro just welcomed something special from Sherco, and this is no ordinary bike. Meet the 2025 Sherco 300 SE Xtrem, a limited edition machine with only 200 units available worldwide. And it's not just a fancy paint job, this is a true replica of the factory bikes ridden by Sherco's top riders in the toughest enduro races on the planet. If you've been following the 2024 Hard Enduro World Championship, the names Mario Roman and Teodor Kabakchiev will ring a bell. They finished 3rd and 4th in the world riding the Sherco 300 SE factory. And earlier this year at the brutal SE Xtrem 2025 in France, where over 500 riders lined up and only a few actually finished, the top spots once again went to Sherco. That says a lot about the bike's capabilities in the real world. Now, Sherco has taken things up a notch with the Xtreme version. It comes loaded with over €3,500 worth of premium components straight from the factory team setup. You get an Akrapovič silencer for that aggressive race-ready sound, a reinforced clutch system, a carbon front disc guard, XP radiator protectors, and upgraded traction straps both front and rear. The reinforced NEKEN handlebar ensures durability in tough terrain, and CNC machine blue anodized quick-release axle pullers make wheel swaps fast and easy. There's a black Xtreme skid plate, blue clutch and ignition cover guards, anthracite-colored CNC foot pegs, and a super light steel sprocket. All of it wrapped in a factory replica graphics kit that makes this bike look like it just came off the pro paddock. Underneath, it's powered by a 2093.2cc two-stroke engine with an electronically controlled valve system and a NEKEN PWK36 carb. It features electric start, a liquid cooling system with forced circulation, and a DC CDI ignition with digital timing. The transmission is a 6-speed setup paired with a 520 O-ring chain, and the clutch uses a Brembo hydraulic system with multi-disc wet clutch for smooth, precise engagement. Suspension is all KYB 48mm closed-cartridge forks, up front with 300mm of travel, and a KYB rear shock with 30mm of wheel travel. The chassis is built from high-strength chrome molybdenum steel, while the wheels feature black anodized XL rims, fitted with Michelin Enduro Medium tires. The 2025 Sherco 300 SE Xtrem isn't just a dirt bike, it's a purpose-built enduro weapon. Whether you're chasing podiums or just want one of the rarest, most capable enduro machines out there, this bike delivers on all fronts. From pro-level hardware to proven race performance, it's as close to a factory ride as you can get, without needing a team contract. So what do you think? Does the 300 SE Xtrem earn the title of the most hardcore enduro bike of 2025? With only 200 units out there, it might not be easy to get your hands on one, but it's definitely a machine worth dreaming about.